Hi Year 4, hope you're all well. Right, today, tomorrow and Friday we're going to be looking at symmetry. It's quite a nice subject and it's quite a nice way to finish the week. Right? What is symmetry? We're looking to look at 2D shapes and we need to look at them. I think you may have done this when you were looking at triangles, quadrilaterals, that if you have a 2D shape, if you can fold it in any way so that one half is exactly the same as the other, then it has a line of symmetry. They're exactly the same. I have this triangle, which I hope you think is an isosceles triangle, apart from that bit, because I cut that bit off. All right. And if I look at that, I think, well, I mean, I've tried it, and you might be able to see where I've tried it. Could I fold it so that both sides are the same? Let me have a look. If I fold it there, are both sides exactly the same? Absolutely not. So let's put it up. What about if I go right down the centre? If I fold it like this, now are they both the same? Absolutely. So if I open that up, here we go. Isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. Both sides, when you fold it over halfway through, it will be exactly the same shape. Okay. Now let's have a look at another shape. A rectangle. I've been really good and I've used some recycled paper on here. So ignore what's on there. Turn it upside down. Right. Now, if I look at my rectangle, I think, right, can I fold it so both sides will be exactly the same? Let me think. I know, right in the centre, I will fold it there. Folding it down there, absolutely, you cannot see. You can see that both sides fit each other, they're exactly the same. Open it up. Oh, that's one line of symmetry. What about if I go halfway here? So I fold that. Fold it down. Fold it properly. Yes! Okay, what about with rectangles? Oh, if I do corner to corner, what do you think? Oh, I can all hear you shouting, yes, it will have symmetry. It will be a line of symmetry. It will be, that's right, let's have a look. It'll be just like a square, because if you did this with a square, it would work. Let's have a look. So I get my corners and try and fold it in half. Right, that's from corner to corner, and look, are they the same shape? So a rectangle only has two lines of symmetry. Okay. Now, of course, there are some shapes, 2D shapes, that will not have a line of symmetry at all. I drew this shape. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a quadrilateral. It's got 4 sides. However, no matter how I would fold that, let me have a go. I want to go there. Both sides, not exactly the same shape. So another one, I'll go there. You look there, you think, well, maybe if I turn it over, no, not exactly the same shape. So you will find that there will be lots and lots of shapes that certainly will not have a line of symmetry. On the other hand, you will find some shapes that will have lots of lines of symmetry. Here's a shape. How many sides has it got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is. I'm going to tell you what it is. You can tell me later what a 6-sided shape is. But if I look at it, how many lines of symmetry do you think this shape has? I'm going to test it out. I'm going to go through the middle there. So let me look. If I fold that, absolutely, both sides are the same. So that's 1. I'm going to go through the middle that way. Aha. Oh, absolutely. 2. In fact, if I open up, this shape has 1 line symmetry, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines. You should have 6. Let me count again. Can you count? I wasn't counting right. There is 6 lines of symmetry, okay? Now, your work today will be having a look at different shapes. You will first of all find a sheet that will have regular shapes. Regular triangle, rectangle, all those. Find out how many, you've got to name each one, so you can tell me what the name of a 6-sided shape is on there. So you do those, tell me how many sides it's got and how many lines of symmetry it has. What I would suggest is just do what I did and draw them on, because that really helps. And if you're really unsure, do what I did again, cut the shape out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try and cut a shape out, and then you can just fold it over, because if you fold it over, you'll be able to see if both sides are the same. Okay? Second sheet, again, will be slightly, not quite regular shapes. Some will be regular shapes, some will not. Again, try and find the line of symmetry on them. They might not have, all of them have lines of symmetry, so be careful. And you will have the alphabet. Go through the alphabet, see which letters have lines of symmetry on. Some have none, some have 1, some have 2. Have a look. If you are feeling absolutely super confident, there is a challenge sheet. So you can have a look at the challenge sheet if you wish. Really would like you to do the first and the second sheet, but do not with the challenge sheet, only if you think, yep, I've got this sussed, I can do it. Okay? Right, enjoy. And let me see how you get on. Fingers crossed, it will be fine. There is just, well, I just thought one thing. If you want to, you can use a mirror to find your lines of symmetry, but I might show you that tomorrow. I would like you to, if you're not sure, cut the shape out and fold it. See if you can fold it in half, just once, and see if both sides are the same. Okay? Good luck, enjoy.